Hi, Captain Larry. Murphy's Law says that in order to make anything better, you've got to mess up a whole lot of other stuff. So here we've got some more of the new ceiling in the boat, but in order to do that, they had to mess up everything else. But you know, there you go. Yeah, won't take long to put it back. This stringer here that supports the settee berth, this piece of wood actually split when I sat on it a few weeks ago, so brought some glue and clamped and glued it back together, and it wasn't even screwed in here, which is why it broke. So got that repaired. The last piece I put in there is provisional. That piece of wood was warped and it can't be sprung into place. I'll take it out and make another one. I brought the wood with me today, but I fell asleep. I got hot and tired and lay down in the berth and fell asleep for an hour. So guess it'll be next time. But anyway, that's gonna be a lot better. I've got to make these shutter pieces along the edge of the house, which is curved, so it's narrow at the forward end and wider at the aft end. So I gotta lay that out and cut that, which will be interesting. I don't have a bandsaw, so I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, but we'll find a way. And so that's it. Came and rinsed the boat off. I haven't been here for, golly, 3 weeks or so. There I am. You can see what kind of shape I'm in. I've been working my ass off on the ranch. And so anyway, got over here, took a hosed all the grunge off the outside of the boat, and got in here and did some stuff. Ran the engines, checked the batteries, and so I guess I'll clean this mess up a little bit. It's not going to be, I'm not going to put it all back, I don't think, because I've got to keep working on it. This piece of wood over here that supports this stringer really needs to be an inch deeper than it is, so that the bottom of this stringer here is fully supported. It has something to glue onto. So I'll cut a replacement piece for this and bring it next time and put it in. Take the old one out, and that piece of wood I think is going to get cut up. This one that we're taking out will get cut up and used as the dish and cup rack. I'm hoping that'll work out. I've got to do some measurements and see if that'll work, but somehow or another I'm going to integrate that special marine plywood into that cup and dish holder, so it won't get wasted, and that job will be better done. And then I can cut the notches that go in there. You can see those pencil marks. That's where that gets notched, because there's cross pieces that go across as corresponding notches in that piece I just glued. So after that thing has been redone and we've got that cross piece notched, we'll put it all back together and walk away from it. And back in this corner, this needs to be supported with a block behind here. So we just take a block of wood and it screws in the back there, and then this screws into it, and that can't move. And might even run a block or a stiffener or something in the middle back to the hull, and that'll make that berth nice and strong. So that's a report from Pacific Child on what must be, oh dear, again I don't know what the hell the date is. Let's look at the watch. What does the watch say? 16th of July, maybe that's right.